Hello students, hope you all are doing good. So today we are learning how to write a notice. And what is a notice? A notice is a written form of formal message or a type of written announcement made to everyone. As notice is a written form of formal message, so it is made to inform all about various activities. Like the activities may refer to football tournament or debate competition to be held in school, notice for a holiday, a new scheme implemented by the school or college for the welfare of the students, inter-school competition, and many more. The notice is simple and passive form language to deliver a direct message to the reader of the notice. It should be not more than 50 words. It has to be written in within the 50 words. There is a word limit, so it has to be like within 50 words. It means that it has to be short and impactful. So there will be some rules that we have to follow, and we have to take care of all those rules before we writing a notice. So let's get started. First rule is notices are always written in a box. So whenever we are writing a notice, we must have to be careful about how to we have to write the notice within a box. So this box has its own way important, so it has to be neat and clean. There should be usage of passive voice while writing a notice. It means you have to always use sentences written in passive voice. For example, the names have to be by the students to their class teachers. Never use first person while writing a notice. There should be no use of I, we, and me, because many of the students are doing this mistake. So you must have to be careful about it, that you do not supposed to use first person like I, we, or me, because it's an information that you are passing to the other student. This is an important rule which should be memorized by your heart, and you should not forget these things. So let's just talk about the format. First of all, the first thing that we have to write here, which is name of the institution or organization. Name of the institute or organization you are supposed to write, and this should be in capital letter only. Then your notice will come. You have to write this notice, and afterward heading, that what why you are writing this notice, or like notice is all about. So heading should be very clear. The heading of the notice should always be according to main idea on which the notice is based. Like if it is a notice about an inter-school debate competition, then the heading would be inter-school debate competition. Clear? So, and date, this date thing has to be very clear. Like you did not supposed to leave any line between these, and this date has to be come here. Okay, and afterward the content or body. The body should contain all the necessary information. Like in the notice, like time, venue, last date, and it should be written in passive voice without the use of first person that I've already mentioned above. Then like you and in the body, don't forget to write this day, date, time, or venue. So these are the key points that you will, like, you can score really good marks if you mention all these things. And now you have to write, you have to do your signature. Like, so once you have done with it, so before like above on your name, you have to write like you have to mention your signature, and then name will be coming here, and name should be in block letter only, and afterward designation will come. So this is the notice that you're supposed to write like this only. And like name and designation will come. So I hope that these things have been clear now. So like without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's take one example, that how we supposed to write a notice. And one more thing, if the name is not given in the question, like if this name is not given in the question, so you have to write after a signature, you are supposed to write XYZ. and if the name is given in the question, then you have to write your name only, that name only, not your, that name only. Okay, so let's get started with one question. You are Mansi Gupta, head girl of St. Mary's School. Write a notice informing the students about remedial classes organized by the school for the classes 5th to 12th. All the students who secured less than 60% marks in the first terminal examination have to wait after the school from 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. The classes will be start from 1st April, 1st August. Lunch will be also provided to the student on request. So let's get started with this notice, that how we supposed to write this notice. So here we have to use the see, these are the, first of all we have to underline that what are the key things that we have to take in our notice. First of all, this name of the school, name of the organization or name of the school, which is Mansi Gupta, head girl of St. Mary School, right? So you have to inform about the what, remedial classes. So this should be your heading, that remedial classes will be a heading, and school name of the, here it is name of the, sorry, school, not organization. So name of the school हो गया, and remedial heading हमारा हो गया, and afterward organized by the school. And what other thing we have to take, a date, that on which date, from which date we have to start these classes, remedial classes. So these are the classes will be start from 1st August, right? And the important thing, lunch will be provided to the student, and your name and signature, that you are Mansi Gupta, undersigned Mansi Gupta, head girl. This is the designation, and this is the name of the head girl, right? So now we know that what are the thing we have to mention in our notice. So let's get started. St. Mary's School notice and date, I have mentioned today's date. So but you can always mention that when you are going to write this particular notice, and whatever the date will be there in the question, that when the classes will be starting, so accordingly you have to draft your notice. So this is today's date, then the heading will come, and now all the agency, here I haven't used any I, me, we. All the students are hereby informed that compulsory remedial classes for those students of classes 5th to 12th who have secured less than 60% marks in the first terminal examination will be organized from 15th June, because I have mentioned June, not June, August, from 1st August. So here 1st August we can mention till, if you want, because this is not given in the question that how long the classes will be going on. So if you want to mention, you can mention like for 15 days or 20 days. So you can mention the date accordingly. After school hours from 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. lunch will be provided on request. For further details, contact the undersigned. So here Mansi signature will come, and Mansi Gupta name will come, and the head girl designation will come. So this is all about your notice, and your notice has to be very neat and clean. No cutting has to be there, no overwriting has to be there, right? And always remember all these key points. So I hope that the things are clear, and now I'll be sharing 2-3 questions with you for your practice. So you can do the practice at home, and be safe, be healthy, stay at home. Bye bye, take care.